Pag may galit ka talaga, hindi ka talaga suswertihin. Because you cannot have two emotions at the same time. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-love kung may galit ka sa puso mo. Kaya nga yung mga, mami, gusto ko magka-love life, alisin niyo yung galit sa puso niyo. That is the very obstacle to you being happy. Kunyari, may nangyari, may ginawa sa isang tao. Tapos na yun eh. Lalampasan mo na yun. Alam niyo, ganito po, marami sa atin ang nasaktan ng ibang tao o nasaktan sa isang sitwasyon. Alam mo, instead of looking back, kung wala naman nangyari sa'yo and you survived it, let go. Diba, nalampasan mo na yun eh. Ba't kailangan mong balikan? You know, one day, when you learn to let go, the lesson is learned. Hayaan mo na sila. You may not forget, but try to forgive. And then you move forward with your life. You know, unti-unti makita mo, you will meet the right people, you will be actually in the right place at the right time. You get to actually have, you know, the kind of luck that you deserve. Remember in the sold out, diba, the first day, this is what I told you, diba, na dapat alisin mo. Kasi pag hindi mo inalis ang anger sa puso mo, lahat ng negativities ina-attract.